So this is how it's looking. I haven't done much orange on it because I don't have a lot of orange, and I could probably just stick to white, black, and silver. Or I could do some orange feathers too. And I might have to cut some more ribbons, but I like to start with all these scrap pieces. I think I'll put that there. Maybe go in there. Orange. Let's see. Now I'm gonna have to go up over to get that stapled. I'll cut some of this orange off because I want to add some more orange to this. I do want it to be orange, black, and white. So I'm going to go over, I think right there. Again, I'm going over those ribbons. Just make sure you haven't stapled them in a funny direction. Okay. Still have this, so I can still go on top. I'll probably go right here with that one. So it's not going on there like I want, so I can just go like this and staple it like that. Like that. Sometimes it's hard to get up in there, but just do what you can. And as you can see, it's all like going, it's not all the same length. That's okay. I like doing that, and then you can adjust it however you want to set it. So sometimes I like it where it's up higher on one side and on another side. I still have this ribbon. I'm not measuring anything. I'm just cutting the sizes I want to use. And I'm just layering and layering. There'll be so much to look at, so much sparkle. I'll be looking at it going, wow, look at all that stuff on there. To go over this way. Again, I'm going to make sure I'm not stapling anything weird. And by weird, I mean smashing something that I don't want to be smashed. So I'm just gathering that there and stapling. Okay, let's see. Oh, I forgot about the tinsel too. I mean the tool. Okay, so I'm just going to take that off. Roll it a little bit. And I'm just going to take it and just keep pulling some off there to get a bunch that I want. So I've got it like this. Again, just pinch it where you want it. Now I can take it and let's see, there or there. I'll hold it like this. I'm going to take my stapler over, get on top of it. Again, turn it over. Oops, I'm smashing something there. I can see it. It's the only thing you got to be careful of. So just give it 2 or 3 staples, and then you can spread it out. So there's a different kind of sparkle on there. And let's see, do some more black on there. I'll just go ahead and use the rest of that. So I'm going to open up a little space there. Go up under. Staple that a few times. I got some black feathers coming off. And I've got some orange tulle and black tulle. I've got it in all different colors. Let's see. I'll do one more of these right here. Actually, I'm going to make that a little bit smaller. Just go layer it like that. I want to still be able to see that orange one. There's another piece of that, so I can add that to some of that plain white that I had right here. I can just go like whatever direction I want. And the back. Just tapping it down. Just adds a little bit of sparkle there. Got a bunch of orange tubing. This is the Deco Mesh tubing. So I want to add some of that. And I can put some wire in it if I want to make certain shapes. Or I can just simply go like this. Make, let's say, 3 loops. You can put those together with wire to hold them steady for you. I'm going to attempt to staple it on there without them. So I'm going to go in right here. And see what I mean about stapling something you don't want to is if you accidentally went like that. So that's why I always turn it over and make sure I'm not doing that. So I want those to come out. I'm just going to hold them right there. It's a little bit further actually than I want them. So I'm going to take them in a little bit. And I'm just going to start stapling them, making sure I've got all of them on there. Those are just going to stick out like that. And I think 3's enough on that one. And I could do a little bit more tinsel there if I wanted to, like right here, or tulle. Let me get some flowers. What size I need here. Okay. I have a big one here. I think this is a 7, 7.5. And if you stuck that in there like that, it would look like this. It would work. I didn't cut the hole yet. With my X-Acto knife, I just want to cut an X over that circle so I know where the center is. And then take a pin or something and poke a hole in there. Now I can take this just to see what it looks like. Stick that in there. Take the back. Some people secure their flowers this way. That's not how I do them. Whatever works for you. That's what that would look like. And I've got a little bit smaller flower here. That one's quite a bit smaller actually. Here's an orange flower I have. So it would show more of the ribbons and such. You could have more space to add more if you wanted to. I think I like it better with the smaller flower. You just kind of have to play around and see what you like. If you've already bought your flower, then you want to make your backer according to it. So if you have a smaller flower, you can keep building on the backer to make it fuller. But I like that. I think I would add a little bit more right here with this flower. So there you go. There's an unconventional backer. You can just use scrap pieces of whatever you've got laying around. Just don't be afraid to play around with it and throw the stuff on there however, to see how well it turns out. You don't have to make a conventional one or an original or an old-fashioned one, whatever. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.